Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable checkboxes to select items in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable checkboxes for selecting items in Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click the Start menu and select File Explorer, or press Windows key plus E. Click the three-dot menu in the toolbar and select Options. Alternatively, search for File Explorer options in the search bar and open it. In the Folder Options window, switch to the View tab. Locate the option Use checkboxes to select items. To enable checkboxes, check this option. To disable checkboxes, uncheck this option. Click Apply and then OK to save your settings. Once enabled, small checkboxes will appear next to files and folders when you hover over them, allowing for easier selection of multiple items. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.